Vancouver. This city was voted 3 times consecutively as one of the most livable cities in the world. From the Pacific Ocean to the surrounding mountain ranges, there is no doubt that Vancouverites are proud to call this place home.
In 2010, Vancouver was the host for the Winter Olympics. It was a wonderful opportunity to showcase our city on an international stage. So I'm standing here in the very place that our city housed the Winter Olympic athletes. 9 years later, the Olympic Village has become a hotspot for social gathering and trendy restaurants such as Tap and Barrel and Ernest Ice Cream and many more. Gastown's steam clock can be considered a relic of the past. It is an item built in the past around 1977 by various individuals such as Canadian horologist Raymond Saunders to function as a monument for the locals. This clock is partially powered by a steam engine and only few remain in the world.
There are many ferries that allows their passengers to cross Falls Creek to enjoy the delightful goods Granville Island has to offer. This gem nestled under Granville Street Bridge is a tourist hotspot. This is Granville Island, home of downtown Vancouver's local markets and fresh produce. These shops can range from seafood, soups, delis, fruits, and artisan goods. The island also houses a variety of activities such as water sports like paddleboarding and jet skiing. Granville Island is also accessible from the Vancouver downtown area. The seawall is mostly known for its scenic views of what the city has to offer. This 28-kilometer route starts at Cole Harbour downtown, goes through Stanley Park, Olympic Village, and Science World, and ends past the beaches of Jericho. Here at Cole Harbour, you can hear the engines of the seaplanes roar and witness the cruise ships parked at the docks. The seawall can be traversed by foot or by bike, and following this route west will lead you to Stanley Park. At Stanley Park, you can catch a glimpse of the underbelly of the Lions Gate Bridge behind me. Here you can see the cultural heritage of the First Nations, such as their totem poles. The craftsmanship of their woodwork is the reason why this is the #1 most visited tourist attraction in Vancouver. And if you have time to spare, you can spend your afternoon on a horse-drawn tour around Stanley Park. Thanks for watching! If you like our videos, don't forget to follow us on social media.